In this video, I'm going to show you how to add spouse on TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is log in, and then you want to go to My Info over here on the left. And from here, of course, you want to first put in your information, so your first name, last name, date of birth, occupation, etc. And then you want to press continue, and then you want to put in your SSN or ITIN, and then you want to press continue again, put in your state of residence and select all that apply from the following statements over here, then press continue again. And then from here, this is very important, it says about your household. Of course, if you have a spouse, you are married, you want to click on married over here, and then you want to select whether you want to file jointly or separately, so just pick one. Doesn't matter which one you pick, you'll still be able to add your spouse. However, filing jointly is recommended. Once you do this, you want to click continue, and of course, where it says do you have any other dependents, you want to press yes, because if you have children or other relatives you support, you should click yes, or of course no, in case you don't have any, and then you want to press continue. And after that, it will require you to put in your spouse's info, so you should just put in their first name, their optional middle name, their last name, and then their date of birth, and then their occupation. And once you're done, you want to press continue, and then just continue with this form over here, and just like that, you have successfully added your spouse on TurboTax. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.